What's up, guys? Mike with Energy Creative out here today with the side-by-side CFMOTO. This is a Sport 4. I want to talk to you guys real quick on one of the best-selling accessories, probably the best thing that I have put on this side-by-side, are these right here. The driver's side and passenger side vents. Of course, you can buy one or the other, but I've got both pairs on here. These things are really functional. They let a lot of air in there, so I can keep my windshield closed so I'm not getting dust in my eyes when I'm out here on the trails following people, and I still get nice air coming in through these vents. So just like there, I've got this one open. They're screw tops now, so very easy to use. So if you don't want those open, of course they come with block off covers that are just that simple, guys. Oh, a lot of mud there. So we also got the roof vents. If you notice, I've got one facing forward, one facing back. This one allows fresh air in, that one allows hot air out. And of course, the new cup holder. These things are really handy. You know, these little things down here suck. So this thing is really working out well. Guys, check out all of my CFMOTO designs, all my accessories, nrgcreative.com. I'll leave the links in the description. Right now, for a week, it's right around Christmas, there's a 20% off. Take advantage of it. We'll talk to you guys later. Oh, yes, once you order, I ship the next day. Of course, don't forget the Snorkel kits. They're flying off the shelves, so protect that clutch, guys. Don't let water get in it.